versus me. It was never me versus you. Misunderstood. Get up, had to beat those odds. Got up and I beat those odds. It's understood. It was always me versus me. It was never me versus you. And now I'm good. Wake up and I do my part. Wake up and I do my job. Just how I should. It was always me versus me. It was never me versus you. Misunderstood. Get up, had to beat those odds. Got up and I beat those odds. That's understood. It was always me versus me.
Hey guys, so we're back driving the Audi A3. As you know, this car is for sale. I haven't really aggressively posting it online, pero it's for sale guys, and it only has 19,500. Yeah, parang yan, 500, below 20,000 kilometers guys. So this is a 2022, late of 2022, November to be exact. 35 TFSI, has a 1.5 turbo. I'll show you guys. So blue, the same as our Tesla, a little bit darker. So this is also for sale, as you know, kasi I got the Tesla Model Y, and this one naman is for sale because I got another EV, but a more practical EV for everyday. So that's why I'm selling this. Ayoko na ng ICE car, so I'm selling the Audi, even though it's a good car guys. Yan guys, so two of these cars are for sale, and I'll just message me on Facebook or Instagram. Naglilipat lang ako ng gamit. Tagal ko di ginagamit yung car. Sometimes you have to use the car also to be sure that, you know, especially the battery of the car. So anyway, I'm gonna transfer some stuff, get my shoes, some basketball shoes. So, malaki rin ang trunk guys ng Audi. For this is a smaller car than the Tesla. A little bit smaller lang, but not by much. This is more narrow. This is a wider car. Of course, EV and a pure ICE car. Get my shoes. Ano pa kailangan ko? That's about it. And this. Yan guys. Yan. Ganda rin ang likod eh. I love the style of the Audi. Very simple. If you know, Audi cars are very, you know, minimalist in design, pero very nice. These are, ano bang rims nito guys? Forgot the size. I think these are 18s. 18s, yeah. 18s or 19s. Tingnan nga natin. So tama guys, 18s. So 225, 40 or 18. Ito naman, 20s in Pirellis. Ano to eh? Alam ko 235, 35 and 275, 35 at the back. Anyway, let's close this. I don't need the ball naman. So gagamitin ko muna to. Pahinga muna to. And I love this car, but I have to sell it kasi the Tesla Model Y will come soon. And this one naman, no rush, but I wanna sell it na rin para I can get the other EV. Kasi nga, parking space is a problem. Especially, guys, I live sa condo, so parking space is a problem. Yeah. So, let's just check, double check if I need anything. Okay. Okay. Just make sure that everything's good. It has 65%. Ideally guys, what I heard, especially if you're gonna travel, it's ideally like 50 to 60% leave the battery. Tapos off mo na yung accessory mode on, Sentry off mo na yan. Hindi mo naman kailangan, especially if it's in the house. So if it's in a safe place, you can off it para it doesn't drain the battery. So when you come back, siguro babawasan ng 3 to 5%. Kasi I'm planning to leave the country next month. So if this is the Tesla Y in this, I'll leave it around 50 to 60%. Yeah. Pasensya na guys, nagaglasses na ako. I think it's age. Tumatanda na tayo. Hindi, pag reading glasses lang naman. But anyway, yeah. Like I said, this is for sale. Audi's for sale. Just message me on Facebook, Instagram if you're really serious. I lowered the price of both cars already. I'm gonna stay firm now with the price. Because it's really low already for what it is. Of course, depreciation talaga ng German cars, grabe. Tesla hindi naman kasi bago pa to. This is only 3 months old. But yeah, I'll bring this. And that's about it. I'll get the jacket. I'll get my jacket. Okay, we're gonna bring this car to Clark soon. And I'll vlog about it. And we'll continue this vlog, guys.
Who ready? We ready. Who ready? We ready. Who ready? Who? We ready. Who? Who ready? Who? We ready. Who? Motivation to youth only. Mentally feel like Kobe. I'm like Jokic with the rock. You physically couldn't hold me. I don't care if you pushing 40. You can never little bro me. You're on step like Ginobili from
Guys, hindi na ako sanay mag-gas. Magkano ba gas niyan? Hindi ko alam guys. Pero I put 95 on the Audi. As you all know, I'm puro electric na tayo, diba? But it's not, I have to use this car guys, you know, kasi hindi ginagamit and I'm also selling it. So I want to use it also. Kasi it's bad kung naka-stock up yung car sa parking lang. So, yun guys, pag-gas lang ako. Tumaas yata ang gas and diesel. So, anyway, we'll use it for a couple of days, then park it again, then hopefully I'll sell it within the month and we can get the EV na sinabi ko na affordable. So yun guys, so even though I'm selling this car, I still take care of this car. Yan, papa-car wash ko na yun kasi alam mo na, it's the month of rain and I'm gonna have it car wash. So mga acid rain papatanggal ko. And I even put rim protector para hindi magasgas yung rims. Yan. On all 4 wheels actually. Yun guys, so let's go to the car wash. And yeah, let's keep it clean. Kahit hindi natin ginagamit. Paminsan-minsan lang, we have to warm up the engine. Anyway, I'll show you the engine na rin while we're here in the car park. Let's release the latch here. Yeah, so naka-hood shock siya. Still good, even almost 4 years. Just one big long hood shock. So like I said, 1.5 turbo, 170 and 250 torque. Through their DSG transmission. Kaka-top up ko lang ng coolant which I ordered online. So I use this coolant guys. This is the coolant for Volkswagen and Audi cars. And I think also with Porsches. Ito ginagamit G13. Yan. Yan. So meron tayong extra. So when they get the car, yan, meron kayong pan-top up. So after 4 years ako nag-top up nito. Kasi okay pa naman yung, I mean the level was going down but just needed a top up. And let's close the hood. Yan lang yan, babagsak mo lang. Coding on a Monday. Okay. Then let's go in. Like I said, yan, power seats on both driver and passenger. Then let's go in. Start the car. So of course, digital instrument cluster. You've got your aircon controls here. Still physical buttons. Ito, pag sinastart ko to, I off this. This is the automatic on and off to save on fuel. In-off ko siya. Ayoko siya gamitin guys. It really doesn't save on fuel, to be honest. Kasi nga, it's annoying kasi laging traffic sa Manila, especially here in Manila. So, laging on and off. Ayoko. So, in-off ko na lang. Of course, you have your automatic parking. So if you want to park parallel or perpendicular, pwede. Yan. Tapos, yan, the home screen. This is, of course, may Apple CarPlay na rin siya. And Bluetooth connectivity, your information about the car. So the next change oil of this is, alam ko, October kasi October ako nagpapalit. So we use 0W20 oil for this car. I use Mobil 1. You could use any brand, basta 0W20. It's a little over 4 liters of oil. Yan, pag sinervice intervals mo, yan. So next would be 22,000. Nasa 19,000 pa lang ako actually. But ako, yan, October of 2026. Yan ang next change oil. Like, yun nga, even if you don't hardly use the car, imagine guys, magfo 4 years na yung kotse, 19,000 pa lang. Kasi nga, I only brought this twice sa Baguio, and that's it. That's the only long trip and Subic. Tapos the rest dito na, Makati BGC. When we have meetings, we bring this car. It's a great car. It's considered a luxury car because it's an Audi, but it's a good starting point through a luxury brand, and it's easy to use kasi it's not a big car. Matipid sa gas. Pang everyday use siya na luxury car. If you like driving kasi pag sa naman pwede sa likod, but it's not as big as, let's say, Audi A4 or Audi A6. Yan, yung malalaki. Pan-driver yung A6. Pwede rin you drive, but this is perfect if you like driving and you want to drive a German car. Competes with the 2 Series BMW, pero I think discontinued na yun. And also the Mercedes CLA na alam ko bago magiging electric na. So this one is the last of the Audi A3 as of now. Baka lalabas na bago, pero this is the latest one that you can get, and they only sold 5, and I'm only the only one who got the color na blue, in dark blue. Hey guys, so you got your automatic headlights here. Like I said, digital cluster, pwede mong i-customize. Of course, your interior lighting na ambient lighting pwede mo palitan. Yeah, let's close the door so you can see. Yeah. So even at the back meron, even underneath here meron, sa footwell, yeah, medyo madilim. But yun, then your touch sensitive interior lights, you got dito. Yan. Yan guys. So, on natin to. Yan. So this is the Audi A3. Still for sale guys. I lowered the price and it's really low. If you really want the car, I need the space talaga. Like I said, condo. 2 parking space. This one, the Tesla Y will replace the Tesla Model 3 Performance. This one, another EV na I will show you in my channel, will replace this car. So, I need the parking space. It's not about keeping all cars. I'm still practical in that sense. I cannot keep all cars. So, nagpapalit-palit talaga ako. Depende on the circumstances, the mood, or kung anong kailangan. Like sa Tesla Y, because me and Andrea want to start a family soon, we need a bigger EV. So that's the Tesla Y. With this one naman, papalit a practical EV pang araw-araw. Parang ganito. Even though it's not really practical kasi the price of a brand new one was 3.4 million and it's a German car. It was practical in the sense na, especially sa dad ko, he wanted something nice, but not overly nice, but something relatively affordable in the German market, but cheap to maintain, matipid sa gas. And this was it at that time, which was 2022. And he loved the style, he loved the size. He doesn't like big cars, so that's why we got this car. So yun, 19,000 kilometers, guys. Oh, wala pang 20k, pero in advertised cost 20k. Apple CarPlay, DSG transmission, very very good in high speeds. You got everything. The automatic parking, aircon, malamig, no problem. Battery still good. Tires are, I think, a year old. Nagpalit kami ng full set of tires last year. Kasi nga, na-slash ako guys sa EDSA. Sobrang hassle. Yung mga, when they were rehabilitating the EDSA highway, yung pothole nakaumbok, Yun, hindi ko nakita gabi. Na-slash yung dalawa. So, of course, pag dalawa, ipalit mo na lahat. Total, they were around 3 years already. 3-year-old tires, or a little over. So, pinalitan ko lahat. So, Hankook ang tires nito. Very, very good tires. They use that for Tesla also, by the way. Yan, all power windows, automatic. One touch. Yan, ganon. Yan. Side mirrors, of course. Your trunk dito. Automatic, locking dito. And that's about it. Aircon sa likod. There's aircon, of course, and charging. So, if you're really serious, guys, just contact me. And I'll be happily to assist you. So, God bless. Keep safe. Always take care.